Hello guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Last week I did a huge acrylic ocean pour. It turned out gorgeous. I have it here. Maybe you can see it. I used a lot of pearl colors. And I have some 12 by 12 inches canvases and I want to make more of this coral ocean style painting to make a series out of them using now the same colors, and then in other videos and other pours I will be using more greens and green as a background. But hey, I just love blues and greens, mostly greens by the way, and I love small cells, metallics. Let's get started. Alright, so you probably saw me mixing this beautiful emerald green. We're still in love with it. I poured bases of the emerald green. I did not like that result, so I scraped it off and poured it back in the cup. So I will do something different. I will make a chaos Dutch pour, a diptyque today, and yeah, one of my other favorite colors is the Windsor blue. It looks super vibrant now, but when it dries, you can see it here, it's amazing. And this pearl green, I'm such a fan of it since I did this huge ocean pour. Turned out amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna do it on a small diptyque, or small, 12 by 12 inches per canvas. And so I will be using Prussian blue to go with it. Also in the emerald green is Prussian blue and phthalo blue. So the emerald green, when you saw me mixing it, I used the pearl green, some phthalo green and some Prussian blue, and that's it. Gorgeous color. I've never done such a chaos style on square canvases, so that might be fun. Yeah, only the side design, the full side design. Alright, so why not just do half-half for now, and let's see how I will blow it out. I think that would be the best. So as you guys probably know, the Windsor blue is a transparent color, and I will just cover the sides for that it has just a little bit of color. So when I will touch it up later, when it's dry, I will just paint the Windsor blue over the sides here where it is Windsor blue when it's done. And if it has already a little bit of coverage, then the next layer would be next to opaque. That looks good. I love white against the Windsor blue, so I guess let's start with white this time. And just do it a bit there, you know, in the Windsor blue, alright. And it's chaos style, so we're just doing whatever we feel like. Let's go with the Prussian blue. You know, not too much into the white, because I dislike Prussian blue with white. Sometimes I'm doing some color combinations and I see that some colors are not working together. So in other pours I will try to avoid them. This is the pearl green, just a normal one, so without any color in it. Let's go with some silver. And let's end with the gold. We might miss one color here, right? What are you thinking? Maybe a very light green, because I have this weird green color, but I loved it in the big ocean pour. So let's add just a little touch of that to it as well. You know, just a little to make it more interesting. So I always blow it over the side here, so I already see what the color combination is doing, and then I would have full control on blowing it back out. So let's start with that. Let's go here first. It's stunning, this combination. All right. Loving what's happening here, but there's a lot of paint on the canvas. I will blow this out to that side. This blow out back towards here. I love what's happening here. I dislike here the gold streak and here so much of the white. But yeah, let's blow that out. All right, not a fan at all of that blowout. So I'm disliking here. Let me just take this full part off, like that. Just gone. All right, so since this one is very crowded here and very detailed, it would be okay if this was a diptyque, if this one was more minimal. So, like I said, I love what's happening here. I might blow this a bit out, just by mouth. I will torch this. I do feel we are missing here just a little some. Oh, the green colors this is making. Oh, wow. I'm just loving it. Oh, from here, this angle, I see it looks so minimal, I know. Yeah, I will make here something. Oh, let's start with this green. Since I love that, I won't be pouring the white anymore, because I think the white might be a little bit thicker. That's why it's so prominent on the parts where the white was. Because I started even with white, and normally that will mix with all the colors. Because all the colors went on top of that. And just this beautiful pearl green, like that. Adding just a little bit of the Winsor blue. Might be too much gold, so we just pour a little bit of the Winsor blue here, and then blow that over that gold. Okay, you know, because this is a smaller canvas, I like that it has a lot of details, because the parts with the color is quite minimal, and then I just love a very detailed part of the pour. If I'm looking at it now, I think this one even must be my favorite, and I'm not much of a fan of all this gold here, so I'm thinking of blowing that more back as well. That turned out different with the Prussian blue there. Let's see for some cool details. All right, I'm liking that a bit more now. Let me see if I want to tweak just a little or just leave it like this. All right, no, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it like this, bring you up for a close-up, let this dry, hope it dries well because it has a lot of paint on the canvases. Yeah, I will give you a close-up.